Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Uma Shankar. Thank you for your valuable support so that I can make more videos across all modules, includes financial, supply chain, manufacturing and human capital management. In today's session, we are going to talk about what is business event and how we are going to integrate with SFDC and OIC through outbound integration. Let's understand what is a business event. So, business event is a trigger, or you can refer to a significant changes within a business application or any particular environment that have implicates for process, decisions and operations. Okay, so basically these events offers trigger responses or workflows within a business system, either manually or automatically. Okay, so whenever any changes happen, any particular application, either it could be Salesforce or Oracle ERP Cloud, so system automatically generate a outbound notification. Let's see the benefits of business events. Events provides real-time synchronization of data across applications. That means whenever any transactions created or updated in source system, immediately it will be synchronized with the target system. Okay, so that both systems are in sync. It is a two-step process. That means from Salesforce, you can publish the message. In OIC, you can subscribe that message and you can send to the downstream application for the further process. Okay. So by using business event, you can reduce the risk of data loss. And also you can capture the your success and failure status using callback option instantly. Now we are going to understand how we can integrate the data between Salesforce to OIC integration application through outbound event. As you know, Salesforce is a cloud platform where it manages marketing, customer relationship management, and creation of sales orders. Right? So Salesforce publish a business event for an order update or any opportunities or leads created. OIC consume it and it is going to update to the downstream application. Right? It's a two step process. Okay. So basically, Salesforce will publish the business events and OIC will subscribe that events. Okay, and it will process to the target system in OIC. Now we can see how to configure business events in Salesforce. Okay, so we have to follow three steps. The first step, we have to create a workflow rule. After that, once your rule is created, then you can download the visual document and you can use the document while developing the integration. So after developing the integration, you have to take the endpoint URL and you can update that callback URL in the Salesforce. So this is my Salesforce homepage. Better to create a developer account, as this developer environment of Salesforce provides you more in aspect to the development capabilities. Okay. So now we are going to workflow rule. Okay, because we need to create a scenario. All right, so we are going to create a opportunities in Salesforce application. Basically, opportunities are part of Sales Cloud and it represents the potential sales. Okay, in your sales pipeline. Okay, if you want to create a opportunities, just you can click on here. You can search with the opportunities. Click on opportunities. Okay, so let me create a new opportunity. So I would like to raise a business event whenever a new opportunity created in the Salesforce. Okay, like for example, I'm going to create a test opportunity one some meaningful name. Okay, here amount I can make it is a 2000 and 29 Here stays, right? So whenever you select the stays out of this list of values, I would like to trigger the business event, and then I have to capture from the OIC application, right? For this demonstration, I'm going to select prospecting, right? So we are creating a rule based on this stage, right? Let me create this. So whenever this opportunity created with the stage type is opportunity, we would like to raise a business event, right? This is our scenario. So first we have to create a business rule based on this condition, right? In order to create a business rule, just that workflow rule, click on setup, okay? Sets with workflow rules. I'm going to create a new rule here. Click on new rule, continue with the workflow rules, okay? Object we are creating based on the opportunities, right? Go to the opportunities, okay, opportunity, okay? Click on next. Rule name OIC opportunity rule, you can give any name, okay? Evaluation criteria, right? Whenever opportunity created and anytime it's edited to subsequent meet criteria. So I am going to select this option, okay? Run this rule if the criteria met. So what criteria you are going to create this event, right? So the field is stage, right? This is the stage. Then stage is equals to, select this. Here you can see the list of values, okay? Based on this value, your outbound event will be generated, okay? For testing purpose, you can select anything, but I am select a basic value prospecting, okay? Insert select, okay? So next, save and next. No workflow action have added, right? I'm going to select a new outbound message, okay? The message name, what I can do, new opportunity message, okay? You can give the same name, okay? This endpoint URL we can update after your OIC integration development completes, right? For the time being, I'm going to give www.gmail.com, okay? We can change later. So I'm going to select all the fields, okay? That's it, okay? These are the basic details which we need to provide, okay? Save, okay? This is the outbound message which we created, right? Let me click on this, yeah, save. So now you have to click on this description, okay? This is the outbound message workflow name. Click on this description, come down. So now we have to activate this rule name. Click on the activate, okay? Now it is activated, okay? Now we need another two steps. So this is the rule name which we created. Click on here, and this is the opportunity message, right? So first we have to get the your visual document for the outbound message, okay? Click on this visual document. We can use this document in the integration, okay? Let me copy this. I'm going to uh, save the notepad, okay? So I'm going to make it as a visual document, okay? OIC digital dot digital. Okay, just I'm giving a meaningful name. Okay, and we need to know the version, right? What version we are using. So let me close this. So click on API. Okay, click on API. So if you want to get the version, so you can click on the generate enterprise wisdom. Okay, so salesforce.com enterprise web service version 62. Okay, we can use this version while creating a connection in OIC integration. Now I'm going to create a basic integration. Okay, let me create a connection. So select the Salesforce connection. Yes, Salesforce outbound connection. You can give any name. Click on create. You have to select the Salesforce instance type is production. Version 62. Okay, and you have to enter your Salesforce user account, username, password plus your security passcode. Okay, we have to combine the your Salesforce account username plus security passcode. Now let's see how to get the security passcode. Okay, now we have to go to the profiles. Okay, settings. Okay, here you can select with token. Okay, reset my security token. Once you click on the reset security token, automatically you will get passcode security token to your Gmail, your email ID. Okay, let me enter the all the details. So now enter the some sample test details. Okay, username and password. Let's test it. So the connection was successful. Okay, let me save it. Go back. So now I'm going to create a basic integration. Let me create a abdul integration. USR SFDC event. Okay, click on create. Okay, let me select the Salesforce outbound connection. So you can mention trigger SFDC event. Click on continue. Here you have to select the outbound messaging service. Click on continue. Now you have to download the visual document what we downloaded in my previous step. Okay, so let me download the visual document. Okay, click on continue and finish. Okay, save it. So once you receive the business event details, so you have to transform to the your downstream application. Either you can insert the data in backend tables, otherwise you can put the file in your SFTP server, otherwise you can send a notification. For demonstration purpose, I would like to send some details through notification. Okay, okay. So let me add a notification. Event event details. Okay, let me give some email ID. Okay, and also you can give from email address, subject, SFDC opportunity event details. Okay, so in the body I'm going to present some values. IT, below are the opportunity details created in SFDC. Okay, so just we can pass some variables here. Regards OIC dev team. Okay, let me take some parameters. Okay, in parameter 1 I would like to take okay, so opportunity name I'm going to take. Okay, take one more variable. Take amount. Okay, parameter 3 I'm going to take close date. Okay, so even you can invoke ATP tables, you can insert the data accordingly. Okay, close date. So so sometimes based on these details you have to call some REST APIs. You can transform the data to Oracle Sales Cloud. Okay, okay, still we need to populate these details in the here. Okay, so the first parameter is I can mention mm, opportunity name. Okay, I'm going to put this value parameter 1. Okay, and second one is amount. I can just put parameter 2. So when it's come to real time, we have to send the data in a beautiful HTML format. Third one is the close date. Okay, so parameter 3. Okay, okay, we are good. Parameter 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay, save this. Okay, we are good with this notification. Now we are going to, here you can mention hi team. It's remote, I think. I have to bring this up. Okay, okay, fine then. Okay, save it. Still we got an error. Let me see. Okay, so check the parameters naming convention. 1, 2, 3. Save it. Okay, we are good. Let me enable business identifier. Save it. Okay, let me activate this integration. So once it is activated, click on the run details. Now we are going to map this endpoint in the Salesforce application. Okay, you have to copy up to 1.0. Now we are going to update this endpoint URL in Salesforce application. Okay, so again I have to go back to setup. Okay, purchase with the workflow. This is my workflow rule. Click on here. Okay, workflow, click on here. Click on the outbound message. Okay, edit. This is the endpoint URL that we have given earlier. So let me remove this. So I'm going to take this endpoint up to 1.0. So I'm going to update here. Okay, this is the final step. Save. Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, now integration is activated. Okay, we have mapped this endpoint URL in the Salesforce. So let me create an event. Okay, let me go here, click on the opportunities. Create a new opportunity. OIC demo event. Okay, and amount 1000. Close this 30, and we have to give the stages prospect. Okay, so let me make the amount is some 9000. Okay, let me save it. So opportunity is created now. Let's see this event is getting it's triggered or not. Okay, go to the observe. See, this event is triggered just now. One is succeeded. Okay, now I'm going to email. Let's see whether this event is triggered or not. Okay, so I just got email OIC mail from OIC mail service. See, I have received the details. Opportunity name OIC demo event 9000 close date. Okay, so this is the way how we can enable the business events from the Salesforce.